Hello everyone, in front of me is HMD XR21 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, enroll list of all apps and select settings. Then go to wallpaper and icon, select wallpaper and style and mark more wallpapers. Now select the source from which you want to pick your wallpaper. Choose the picture that you want to apply as your home screen or lock screen wallpaper, or on both. Here you can see how it looks. And now if you like it, just mark set wallpaper. If you want to find some different one, just go back and select it. As you can see, you've got plenty of albums here. You can also add some photo of your own. Let me pick some texture, maybe this one. And then mark set wallpaper. Then decide if it's for your home screen only, just your lock screen, or both. And that's it. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.